Good day, guys. It's what day is it today? 16th of April today, and I'm doing my vlog from my spare room. Ding ding, there goes emails. And the reason I'm doing it in here is for convenience, really. The PC happened to be turned on. It's got a laptop, a webcam sat on the top of it, and it's just a case of pressing a button, record, feed, and ping, nice and easy, like it. Well, I got back from work 2 or 3 hours ago, 12:30 I finished. I'm now off for the next 3 days. That's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday I booked off as a holiday. I tend to do that quite often, so I don't like working Mondays. So I tend to book off Mondays as often as I can with my holidays. During the time that I'm off, I'm going to be spending quite a lot of the time reading. It's one of my main recreational activities. I also use it for self-improvement, to try to learn new things and new strategies and whatever. And I'm going to be reading, I'll give you some examples of sort of books I'm reading over the next couple of days. I've got a stack of books, basically. Throw them all across the desk. That's some of the ones I'm reading, but I've got a stack. If you imagine that's a stack there, it's going right up here with stuff that I've got to get for over the next couple of weeks. It's all kinds of, so this is like self-help type stuff. Richard Carlson's "Don't Sweat Small Stuff" type stuff, rules of work, rules of life. But some of that might interest some of you is this book here. It's called "The 7 Winning Strategies for Trading Forex." If anyone don't know what Forex is, it's basically trading currencies. It's like stock exchange. Instead of like trading in businesses and buying stocks and shares in businesses, this thing you are trading against, well, basically one form of currency against another one. Like an example, you might think the British pound is going to do better than the US dollar, or vice versa. So you would buy or sell the other verse, and buy and sell them against each other, and try and profit from that. Now I've been sort of doing that as a hobby for about a year now. When I first started off, I did a bit with Rick as well, actually. When we started doing this stuff, last year or so, we started doing it via a signal service. The signal service would send us an email with a direction of a certain currency, and all you would do is you'd follow the signal and place a trade and profit from it. And we did quite well from it. It was doing okay until the one time when we got a bad signal from them, and it nearly blew both of our accounts. So it nearly wiped out all the money out in my one, and I got put this, basically I consider it probably the most expensive lesson I've never ever learned. And like I said, nothing's really worth anything unless you spend a lot of money on a good education. So I consider that the best education I've ever got. So what I've learned from that, well, there's lots of things I've learned from it, but ultimately I've learned to do it properly myself and get it right from the first place. So since that time, I've been actively studying technical analysis. I've been actively understanding how fundamentals affects the markets, and sentiment, basically, public opinion of how currencies are going to go, and all kinds of stuff. It's fascinating stuff. It's stuff that I'll probably go into a bit more detail on these vlogs. I also intend to, over the course of the next couple of weeks, give you guys an insight of how I'm doing. So I'll sort of give an idea of the trades that I've placed, how I think things are going to go, and you'll be able to see exactly how I've done and if I've done well or not. Based on the trades that I've done so far, on the by following the charts and understanding some of the technical analysis, basically from books like this, reading this sort of stuff, I've done quite well. I said done quite well. I managed to get it's about 10 or 11% return off of the balance that was in there a couple of months ago, and that's consistently every couple of months, which is better than sticking the money into a bank account and trying to earn like 2-3% whatever banks pay you as interest. So the money's there if you take the time and you're prepared to put a lot of work into it. I think you can learn to do it. It's not easy, and far more people lose everything doing it, so you've got to be bloody careful. But it's something that I'm dedicated to do it properly. I'm obviously not going to risk stupid money on it, because if I do that, I'll lose a lot. So I'm taking my time, increment, like little steps at a time, and we'll see how I get on. But I'm confident. I think I'll do well. Fingers crossed. But there you go. Actually, before I sign off, let's just see if Bill's on the phone. Hello, Bill. You sleeping, mate? Can you see him down there? There's like a black blob on the floor. Bill. Hello, mate. He's on camera. Here's a good boy. So I just woke him up. Right, okay, I'm going to go off now, guys. Have a great weekend. I shall catch up to you again on my next vlog, possibly tomorrow. On that note, au revoir. Bye.